Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, I had told you about what are AI agents. You want to build your own AI projects using Python? Well, you have come to the perfect place. In this video, we are going to get your computer set up and turned into a legit AI development powerhouse. Step by step, are you ready to get your hands dirty? Because by the end of this, you won't just have some software installed. Nope, you're going to have a full professional AI setup. Think of this as our game plan. We are going to go through the check off every single one of these boxes, and this is not just about watching me talk, it's about you actually doing it right alongside me. Every great build, whether it's a house or an app, start with a solid foundation, right? So for us, that means getting two essential tools installed: Python, which is kind of the official language of AI, and the Visual Studio Code, which will be our workshop for writing code. Okay, first thing first, head over to python.org, open python.org in your browser. Now, while you are clicking through the installer, you are going to see a little checkbox that says add Python to path. You have to check this box. Okay, seriously, this is the most important click of the whole process. It tells your computer where to find Python no matter what folder you are in. Alright, once that's all finished installing, let's just double check that it worked. Open your terminal and write this command. Okay, so python dash dash version, it's basically us asking the computer, hey, you see Python, is it there? And if everything went right, you should see something just like this. Okay, the word Python followed by a version number. In my system, Python version is 3.13.1. Okay, so if you see that, boom, you nailed it. That's the perfect first step. Next up, our code editor. Go to the code visualstudio.io.com and grab a copy. After it's installed, look for the little icon on the side that looks like a stack of blocks. That's the extension view. This is the where we give a VS Code its superpower. Search for Python and Pylons and install both of them. They will help you out with things like auto-completing your code and spotting errors, which makes your life so much easier. Okay, core tools are installed. Now it's time to build our actual workspace. We're going to create this nice, clean, isolated space just for our project. Okay, and trust me, this is a step that every single serious developer takes. It's non-negotiable. So what the heck is virtual environment? The best way to think about it, it is like having a separate clean workshop for every project you do. It makes sure that the tools and libraries for your AI projects don't get mixed up with the tools for some other web project, right? It is the absolute key to keeping things organized and preventing chaos later. To get this set up, go ahead and create a new folder for your project. Okay, then open that folder in VS Code and in the terminal at the bottom, type this command. You are telling Python, hey, I want you to create a new virtual environment right here in this folder, and we are just going to call it VNB to keep things simple. So we have built the workshop, but now we have actually stepped inside and turned on the lights. The command to do that is just a little bit different depending on if you are on Windows or Mac or Linux. So just find the one for your system and type it into the terminal and press enter. How do you know it worked? Well, you're looking for this little signal. You should see the word V and V appear right at the beginning of your terminal prompt. Okay, that's your confirmation. It means you are now officially working inside your private project space. Alright, this is where it gets really exciting. We have got our workshop all set up and organized. Let us plug our computer directly into the brain of the AI. Make sure that VNV is still showing in your terminal. Okay, and then run this command. PIP is Python's installer, and we are telling it to grab two things for us. First is OpenAI. That's the official library for talking to the AI, and the second is Python-.tv, which is nifty little tool we are going to use to keep our secret keys safe. Which brings me to Single most important rule of security you need to know. Your API key is like a credit card that pays for your AI usage. If you put that key directly into your code and uploaded it somewhere, it's like posting a picture of your credit card online for the whole world to see. We just never ever do that, right? What's the safe way to do it? We use a little something called a .env file. It's just a simple text file that lives in your project folder and it holds your secret API key. Your code can read the key from the file, but you never write the secret itself in your script. Okay, so this is how the pros do it. Back in the VS Code, create a new file, name it exactly .env. That dot at the beginning is super important. Inside that file, just add this one line and make sure to replace the placeholder text with your actual API key that you get from OpenAI website. Okay, that's it. The moment of truth, all this setup, all the configuration, it has all been leading up to the exact moment, running our very first script and seeing this whole thing come to life. Go ahead and create one more file, a Python file this time, and call it test underscore AI.py. Then just paste this code right in. In a nutshell, this script loads up your secret API key from that .env file we made, sends a really simple message to the AI, and then just print out whatever the AI says back. Okay, all right. Back in your terminal, one last time. Make sure you can still see VNB and type this command and hit the enter. This is what execute the scripts and sends our very first request out into the world of AI. And if everything went according to the plan, your terminal should print out a response straight from the AI. This is the proof that you now have a direct line to one of the most powerful technologies on the planet. So seriously, a huge congratulations are in order. You did it. You successfully went through the entire setup process. You now have a professional AI development environment, fully configured and ready to go for whatever you can dream up. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.